2 weeks, 11 days since the L3/4 lumbar decompression and stabilization, and you had a foot drop on the left side before the operation because the disc was pressing on the nerve. How's it feeling now? Can I see you walk first?
Sure. No, it feels pretty good, and the foot drop is
Much better.
much better. Yeah.
Much better. And then walking that way?
Walk back.
Yeah. Yeah, almost 80% back. Almost 80% back. Much pain in your back?
No.
Yeah. Any pain down your legs?
No, the only pain I've got is actually in my right heel, which I think is just because I must.
You've been walking, putting extra weight.
Yeah.
Just gentle stability, because we put that stabilizer in. How do you feel? Obviously you haven't done much yet. And how about sideways?
Yeah, I mean, this is all totally fine.
Good. And you've not had that much pain since the operation?
No, I was on those heavy painkillers for about 5 days, but
Yeah.
no issue at all. No.
Fantastic. Good.